crispy on the outside, soft and flaky on the inside. Today I'm showing you how to make these delicious chicken wraps in just a few minutes. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let's get cooking. We start by making a very simple dough. Into a bowl, sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix and knead until you get a soft, smooth dough. Divide the dough into small balls. Roll each ball thin into a round circle using a rolling pin. Brush the surface with a little oil or ghee. Sprinkle a light dusting of flour. Then stack up to 4 rolled flatbreads or paratha on top of each other. Repeat this process until you stack up to 4 rolled flatbreads or paratha on top of each other. Trim the edges to form a neat square shape, and set it aside to rest for 5 minutes. This helps create beautiful flaky layers. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an easy homemade recipe like this. While the dough is resting, let's make our spicy chicken filling. Heat a pan with a little oil, add your chopped vegetables and sauté for 1 minute. Add in cubed chicken, your favorite spices. And finish with a splash of soy sauce. Cook until the chicken is tender and well coated with flavor. Now take the rested layered flatbread and cut it into 4 equal quarters. Place a generous spoon of chicken masala on each piece. Carefully fold and wrap the edges tightly so the filling stays sealed while frying. Heat the oil in a pan and fry the wraps on medium heat until they turn golden brown and crispy on the outside. Look at this chicken wraps, crispy outside, soft and flaky inside. You can serve them hot with a dip of your choice. Let's break one open and see the inside. So tasty, spicy, juicy, and absolutely delicious. This is an easy snack, breakfast, or quick dinner anyone can make at home. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. See you on the next recipe.